This is Senso-Ust. I will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. It is reported that this footage was taken right after our Korean ship, HMM, was hit. This video is only on social media, so its authenticity is hard to verify, but significant damage has been confirmed. This is Nabatiyeh in southern Lebanon. The Israeli military attacked Nabatiyeh village. The Israeli military sent the 226th Brigade to destroy Hezbollah's underground tunnels, which they did successfully. In the last 24 hours, the 146th Division struck about 15 Hezbollah sites, including military bases, surveillance gear, and gathering points used for attacks on Israeli troops and civilians. Israel's military declared its highest alert for all forces. According to a CNN report, an attack by the US and Israel on Iran is expected within the next 24 hours. The US Central Command reported that during Operation Project Freedom to keep the Strait of Hormuz open, 6 Iranian vessels interfering with US merchant ships were sunk, and Iranian cruise missiles and drones were intercepted, according to Commander Cooper.
일정 기간 동안 이란군이 미군 시설에 접근하지 않도록 강력히 경고했다고 밝혔으며 미국이 이란 항구 봉쇄를 기대 이상으로 지속하고 있다고.
He also said the US military secured a safe passage for merchant ships through the Strait of Hormuz without Iranian interference. Iranian state TV reported, quoting a senior Iranian military official, that Tehran had no plans to target Arab oil facilities, but did not provide any further details. The Ukrainian Ministry of Foreign Affairs condemned Iran's missile and drone attacks and affirmed the right to self-defense. According to I-24, all flights from Israel to Dubai have been suspended. The Fujairah media office stated that 3 Indians were injured in a drone attack suspected to have been carried out by Iran. The 3 people were taken to the hospital and their injuries are reported to be serious. Lebanese Member of Parliament Ali Amar, who represents Hezbollah, urged the Lebanese authorities to declare the US ambassador persona non grata after the ambassador said that those who insult Christian leaders should leave the country. If there are more updates, I will point them out in the video and upload it. This concludes the video. Thank you. Subtitle advertisement.